Hey guys, it's Isaac with Park My Share. In this video, we're going to talk about setting up your Park My Share AVI tag on your vehicle. It's really important that you take time in setting up this tag. It'll make your hosting experience as well as the guest experience more seamless. We're going to get into the details about tag placement, which tag to use for different vehicles, and we'll get you set up and ready to go. So let's talk about the do's and don'ts on placing your Park My Share windshield tag. So you do want to place your tag in a highly visible area. You want to avoid tinted areas of your windshield. You want to avoid other AVI tags. So if you have a tag for car wash, oil change place, or maybe a toll tag, you want to make sure that our Park My Share tag is nowhere near that tag so it doesn't interfere with the reads. This is traditionally the best spot. You can also place it driver's side on the top, and you could also place it in the middle of the windshield. Again, make sure to avoid the tinted areas of your windshield. These windshield tags are permanent. So once you peel it off and stick it to your windshield, you cannot rip it off. It's got a tear away system on it. So when you're first testing your placement, you want to use a piece of scotch tape and you want to place it on those primary spots that we talked about. Once you feel like you get a strong read at the gate, you can peel back the front layer of the windshield tag and permanently affix it onto your windshield. If you have a higher end luxury vehicle, specifically if it's European, there's a very good chance that you have a metalized windshield. These metalized windshields restrict the AVI reads from the windshield, which is why for these types of vehicles, you need to use a headlight tag. Same thing goes for these headlight tags. You want to use a piece of scotch tape to test the placement, but instead of placing it on the windshield, you're going to find a spot on the headlight of your vehicle. Traditionally, you want to find a spot that's forward facing and easily readable by our readers. Once you find a good placement and do some test runs with your scotch tape and your headlight tag, now you can peel the sticker back and permanently affix the headlight tag onto your vehicle. To summarize the key takeaways, we want to make sure that hosts are taking their time when placing their vehicle tags. Make sure to use the scotch tape system to test multiple areas to find the sweet spot for the gate to read your AVI tag. Once you find that sweet spot, you'll peel it back and permanently affix it to your windshield. Alternatively, if you have a metalized windshield, you want to make sure to use the headlight tag and run the same test with your scotch tape system. Once you find the sweet spot on your headlight, you can peel it back and permanently affix it onto your headlight. If you're having a hard time getting a good read, you can place your tag on this side view mirror on the outside as well. We appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us and we'll help you out. Thank you.